Today, I'm excited to introduce you to XN Tunnel VPN, a powerful solution for unlimited and secure browsing. What makes it special? It has its own fast servers and supports multiple protocols for maximum flexibility. Let me walk you through the installation process step by step. First, open any browser like Chrome. In the search bar, type UDP Custom Website and press Enter. From the results, tap on the official UDP Custom website to land on their homepage. Once there, tap the menu icon and select Free VPN from the list. You'll see various VPN options. We want XN Tunnel VPN. Tap to download and install it. This might take a few minutes. After installation, open the VPN. You'll be asked about notifications, your choice here. The app will need a moment to update its server list. Make sure you have data connection for this. To select a server, tap the server section. Now let's explore the interface. Global locations. There are two main sections. Servers, for protocols, tap Tweaks to see built-in options. Advanced users can enable custom settings for protocols like SLOWDNS or V2RA. Some require custom servers while others work with built-in ones. Once configured, simply tap the big Start button to connect. It only takes seconds. You can share this VPN connection with other devices through the tethering option in the side menu. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to 12.5 Tech for more cutting-edge tech content. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below.